Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Twinkling stars, distant galaxies, a universe full of mystery and wonder. Our universe is a vast and amazing place. It is full of incredible things that we are only just beginning to understand. From black holes that gobble up light to the idea of time travel, the universe is a treasure trove of mind-blowing concepts. Join me on a journey through the cosmos. We will explore the most fascinating mysteries of the universe together. Get ready for an adventure. Our universe is incredibly big. Like, really, really big. It's so vast that it's almost impossible to comprehend its true scale. When we talk about the universe, we're referring to everything that exists, all of space, time, matter, and energy. It's a concept that stretches the limits of our imagination. Imagine the biggest thing you can. Maybe it's a mountain, or an ocean, or even the entire planet Earth. But even our planet is just a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. Now imagine something even bigger. That's the universe. It's filled with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. And each of those stars could have planets orbiting them, just like our sun has planets orbiting it. It's hard to picture just how much space is out there. Light helps us understand. Light travels at an incredible speed of about 186,000 miles per second. Yet, even at that speed, it takes light years to travel across the vast distances of space. Light travels incredibly fast, but it still takes time to travel through space. For example, light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. But light from the nearest star beyond our sun takes over 4 years to get here. When we look at distant stars, we are seeing light that left those stars millions, even billions, of years ago. This means we're looking back in time, seeing the universe as it was long before humans even existed. That means those stars are incredibly far away. The distances are so vast that we measure them in light years. The distance light travels in 1 year, which is about 5.88 trillion miles. And that's just a tiny part of the universe. The observable universe is estimated to be about 93 billion light years in diameter, but the entire universe could be much larger, possibly infinite. The universe is also expanding, meaning it's getting bigger all the time. This expansion was first discovered by Edwin Hubble in the 1920s, and it's been a fundamental part of our understanding of cosmology ever since. It's like blowing up a balloon. The more air you add, the bigger it gets. Similarly, as the universe expands, the distances between galaxies increase. The universe is a bit like that, constantly stretching outwards. This expansion is driven by a mysterious force called dark energy, which makes up about 68% of the universe. It's one of the biggest mysteries in science today, and understanding it could unlock even more secrets about the cosmos. Black holes are some of the strangest objects in the universe. They are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Imagine a giant vacuum cleaner in space, sucking up everything around it. That's kind of what a black hole does. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. They are incredibly dense. Imagine squeezing all the mass of the Earth into something the size of a marble. That's how dense a black hole can be. Here's a mystery. Scientists believe that most of the universe is made up of stuff we can't even see. This mysterious stuff is called dark matter and dark energy. We can't see dark matter directly, but we know it's there because of its gravity. It acts like an invisible glue, holding galaxies together. Dark energy is even more mysterious. It's pushing the universe apart, making it expand faster and faster. Scientists are still trying to figure out what dark matter and dark energy are made of. It's like a giant cosmic puzzle. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe. It doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it completely invisible. We only know it exists because of the gravitational effects it has on visible matter. Without dark matter, galaxies would fly apart instead of staying together. Dark energy, on the other hand, makes up about 68% of the universe. It's the force that's driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. Imagine blowing up a balloon. Dark energy is like the air inside, pushing the universe to expand. Despite its dominance, we know very little about dark energy. It's one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology today. Researchers around the world are working tirelessly to uncover the secrets of these hidden players. Solving this cosmic puzzle could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. The quest to understand dark matter and dark energy continues, pushing the boundaries of science and imagination. Who knows what discoveries await us in the vast expanse of space? Stars are born in giant clouds of gas and dust called nebulas. These nebulas are like stellar nurseries where baby stars are formed. Over millions of years, gravity pulls the gas and dust together. The pressure and heat increase until, finally, a new star is born. Stars don't just exist on their own. They are grouped together in vast collections called galaxies. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy with billions of stars. Galaxies are constantly moving and interacting with each other, sometimes even colliding. Where did our universe come from? Scientists believe it all started with a massive explosion called the Big Bang. Imagine all the matter and energy in the universe crammed into a tiny, incredibly hot and dense point. Then, about 13.8 billion years ago, it exploded. The Big Bang wasn't like an explosion here on Earth. It was the expansion of space itself. Since the Big Bang, the universe has been expanding and cooling, eventually forming the stars and galaxies we see today. Section 7. SpaceTime, a fabric of reality. Imagine a trampoline, a simple, everyday object that can help us understand one of the most complex concepts in physics. If you roll a marble across it, the marble will travel in a straight line. It moves effortlessly, without any deviation, as long as the surface remains flat and undisturbed. But what if you put a bowling ball in the middle of the trampoline? The surface will no longer be flat. The weight of the bowling ball will cause the trampoline to dip in the center. The bowling ball will create a dip, and the marble's path will curve around it. Instead of moving in a straight line, the marble will spiral towards the bowling ball, following the curve of the dip. That's kind of how gravity works in space-time. Just like the trampoline, space-time is a fabric that can be warped and curved by the presence of mass. Space-time is the fabric of our universe, and massive objects like planets and stars warp it. The more massive the object, the greater the warp it creates in the fabric of space-time. This warping is what we experience as gravity. When you feel the pull of gravity, you're actually experiencing the curvature of space-time around a massive object. Space-time is a mind-bending concept, and scientists are still trying to fully understand it. They use advanced technology and complex mathematics to study the fabric of our universe, hoping to unlock its deepest secrets. One of the most fascinating aspects of space-time is how it behaves around black holes. These incredibly dense objects warp space-time to such an extent that not even light can escape their gravitational pull. Another intriguing phenomenon is gravitational waves. These are ripples in the fabric of space-time caused by violent cosmic events like the collision of black holes. Scientists have only recently begun to detect these waves, opening up a new way to observe the universe. As we continue to explore and understand space-time, we uncover more about the fundamental nature of our universe. Each discovery brings us closer to answering some of the most profound questions about existence and reality. The fabric of reality is vast and intricate, woven with the threads of space and time. It's a tapestry that tells the story of the cosmos, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. And as we gaze up at the night sky, we are reminded of our place in this grand tapestry, ever curious, ever seeking to understand the fabric of reality that surrounds us. Section 8. New discoveries, new questions. We are living in a golden age of astronomy. With powerful telescopes and spacecraft, we are making new discoveries all the time. We are finding new planets around other stars, some of which might even be habitable. We are also learning more about the early universe and the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. The more we discover, the more questions we have. The universe is full of surprises. Section 9. Our place in the cosmos. With all this talk of vast distances and mind-boggling concepts, it's easy to feel small. But remember, we are all part of this amazing universe. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars. We are literally made of star stuff. We have a natural curiosity about the universe and our place in it. By studying the cosmos, we learn more about ourselves and our place in the vastness of space and time. Section 10. Keep exploring. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be solved, so keep looking up at the stars and asking questions. Read books, watch documentaries, and never lose your sense of wonder and curiosity. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the future? Maybe one day, you'll be the one to unlock the universe's next big secret.